in spina bifida, it is failure of embryonic neural plate.
Recorded.
I'll not go into details of cases. This is spina bifida, and it is the basic fault in spina bifida. It is failure of embryonic neural plate over to form closed neural tube or mesodermal tissue. Why? Just to invest neural tube as it does in normal embryo to form vertebral arch. Vertebral arch with spinous process on posterior side. So the neural tube is not completely covered in this particular thing, and this is known as spina bifida. This is a congenital disease, and there are 3-4 congenital diseases related to it. In general practice, we can see many around 4 or 5 congenital diseases. So, if it is congenital disease, it is madhyam margagata disease. So, it is very important. First is hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is clear.
Hello.
Hello. Please continue, sir. You are audible.
Clear, na?
Let's continue. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I'll go into details of Ayurvedic Nidan. First is Rogi Pariksha. Dashavidha Pariksha are there. Dusham, Desham, Balam, Kalam, Analam, Prakrutim, Vayaha. Into it, 4 Pariksha are related to Rogi Pariksha. Then Roga Pariksha, around 10 Pariksha are there, in which 5 are Roga Pariksha and 5-6 are Rogi Pariksha. Then Lakshan Samuchay. It is to be evaluated with the help of Ashtavidha Pariksha, Nadi Mutram Malam Jiva. Then Dosha Vishesh. Dosha Vishesh, you can see it in Navaigana Dharaniya Adhyay and Vatakalakaliya Adhyay, Kiyanta Shiras Adhyay. Dusha Vishesh is Vividha Shita Pitiya Adhyay, that is Ashraddha Cha, Arushishya, Arasadnyata and all. That is Rasa Pradosha Vyadhi. Like you can diagnose properly with Dusha also. Then Guna Vishesh, Guna you can see it in Langhan Bruhani Adhyay, which Guna are vitiated. That is the main thing. If it is Ruksha or Ushna, Snigdha or Shita, etc. Then Sroto Dushti is to be evaluated properly. Then Roga Marga Nishchiti. In this particular spina bifida, Madhyam Marga is involved, so it is very difficult to treat these type of patients. Hetu is important, then you have to evaluate about Hetu, then go for Samprapti, then Roga Nishchiti, then Avastha Nishchiti, and then Chikitsa and Upadrav, Chikitsa of Upadrav. So, I'll give you some, see, this is just spina bifida. We do Rakta Mokshan in acute cases. We do Rakta Mokshan like this. 18 number needle, we pierce it above ankle joint, and you get blood come out of this vein, and whenever it stops after say 100 or 120 ml. It stops automatically, and patient can walk. Acute pain wala patient can walk easily after this type of Rakta Mokshan. So you can do it at your end also. But first go for Kati Pad Patra Potali Pindaswed, that is Jambir Patra or Eranda Patra or Nirgundi Patra. You can use, and or Parijatak Patra you can use, and then go for this type of Rakta Mokshan. 18 number needle, directly pierce the needle inside the vein above ankle joint. This is say spinal canal stenosis. I have told you about spinal canal diameter. If the diameter is more than 10 mm, that is 1 centimeter, then it is grade say 1. So in grade 1 it is very easy. You can opt for Panchamrut Loha Gugul with Suvarnam Bhupati. So the patient of spinal canal stenosis can be treated with the help of Basti plus Suvarnam Bhupati plus Panchamrut Loha Gugul and Bala Saire Yakadi Kwath. If diameter is between 9 to patient in which you have to use Rasaraj Ras along with Panchamrut Loha. We go for say Yogavastikram or may drug of choice for these particular cases. Don't go for surgery immediately. Please think twice or thrice, then go for it. This is acute lumbago case of acute lumbago. Case of acute lumbago can be treated easily at OPD level. It is just a symptom rather than a disease, and it is a typical attack of acute lumbago of patient. Get suddenly seized with agonizing pain in lumbar region of spine, usually while stooping, lifting, turning around, or coughing or sneezing. He gets severe pain. The pain is so severe that he cannot move. Movement is very difficult in this patient, and patient gets stuck in this particular case. So Sneha Svedan is one of the basic things in this. This is sciatic nerve test. I will not go into details of this. This is spondylolisthesis, a very simple to diagnosis with the help of X-rays only. And if you stand for hours together, you get pain at buttock region along with lumbar region. It is spontaneous displacement of a lumbar vertebral body upon the segment next below it. It is slight displacement. First, second, third degrees of displacements are there. It is usually forward, but very unlikely it is at the backward side also. Mainly, it is congenital malformation only. The second very common cause is spondylolysis. It is a defect in pars interarticularis. And the third important reason is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis of that typical facet joint, that is posterior side of the joint, posterior side of vertebrae. These three things are mainly there in spondylolysis, and this is coccydynia. I'll not go into details. Let us start with systemic dosh and sthanic dosh. If dosh are systemic, go for Sarvadehik Vatagna Chikitsa. That is, if it is related to Kaphasthan, mainly at first site it is always Kaphaj. Then at the second step it is always Kapha Pittaj. The third step is always Pitta Vataj, and fourth is always Vataj in Vatavadhi with reference to bone and joints. You have to go for Sarvadehik Vatagna Chikitsa and go for Yogavastikram if it is Kapha Pradhan Avastha. Go for Kalabastikram, that is 50 in Pitta avastha, and if it is atyugravad, go for karma vastikram. It is written in Kashyap Samhita. For local vat, local kha vaigunya is to be treated with the help of abhyanga, pichu, dhara, and basti according to the stages of the severity of the disease. You can opt for abhyanga, the pichu, dhara, and basti. Lep, different types of lep are there. Then Svedan is there. Agni karma, Vyadhan karma, these are very important. Agni karma and Viddha karma are very important in these cases. Vyadhan karma is mainly if one has to go for pain relieving modality, go for Agni karma. If patient tells you with the help of Agni karma, I get relieved with pain, but after 2 or 3 hours again he gets pain, or again pain starts and the pain is much more severe than previous one, then think of Rakta Dushti and go for Vyadhan karma or Jalaukavacharan into for that. If it is Kapha Pradhan or Kapha Vataj avastha, go for Upanaha Sved, that is lep along with Ushna lep is to be applied on that particular region. Western or Pattabandhan is very important in every lumbar pain. One of the most important dravya is Eranda. Why Eranda? In all Katishul, go for Eranda. In all Katishul, go for Virechan. Virechan is the most important factor in Katigata Vad or Kattashrita Vad. Kaphavritta Vat is to be treated first, then Vata Anuloman with the help of Virechan, and Snigdha plus Ushnaviryatmak medicines are to be used in these type of cases. Every time whenever you use Kashai, before food, Kashai is to be used 20 ml 3 times a day. For say grade 1, you go for Rasna Saptak, grade 2, go for Gandharva Hastyadi, and for grade 3, use Bala Saireyakadi Kashai. After that, go for say Rasona Kshirapak, which is very important Rasayana Chikitsa in Gurudrasi or in Kattashrita Vat. For Leyham, we use Dashamul Haritaki in Asav form. We mainly use Pippal Lasav or Dhanvantaram Kashai in case of say low back pain. So these type of medicines we use. For Abhyanga, we use, if Stambha is 3+, then we use Kotam Chukyadi Tel. If pain is there, then we use Murivenna or Mahanarayan Tel. And if numbness is there or paresthesia is there, then we use Prasaranyadi Tel as a drug of choice for Abhyanga. Patrapotali Pindasved in say South India, people use Jambir Patra. In Maharashtra, mainly we use say Shefali Patra, Nirgundi Patra, or Erenda Patra for Patrapotali Pindasved. Whenever you are opting Virechan, if the patient is indicated for Virechan, Virechan is one of the fantastic treatments for low back pain. Whenever you are using Virechan, please use Churna Kalpana when Kapha Pradhan or Kapha dominant avastha is there. Whenever it is Kapha Pittaj avastha, go for Kashai. Whenever it is say degenerative changes are there, then go for Taila. And whenever a patient is senile or Vruddha or agent is there, opt for Leyam. Kafaja, Churna, Kapha-Pittaj, Kashai, degenerative, Tel, and senile patient, Leyam. whenever you think of virechan, think this way only, and that will give you very good result. Rudrasi plus khanja plus pangu like symptoms are there in clinical conditions, then you use eranda sneha plus quath of dashamul, bala, rasna and vishwa. If grudrasi plus gulma, if the if patient is having pakvashayagata dosha dushti, then you have to think of amla and lavana ras along with eranda sneha. Grudrasi plus urugraha, then please use gomutra along with eranda sneha. See, we use one yog which is uh, abdominal cramps. You will get abdominal cramps when you use kshir plus shunti. So this is the main thing. Katishuleshu sarveshu tailam eranda sambhavam. Rukshofau kati prushtha. See, this is Rukshofau cha kati guhya koshtha prushtha ashrayau jayed. A person with towel. The person with towel is showing you kati guhya koshtha prushtha. On this particular region, eranda works very, very effectively. So, in Pachak Aushadhi, if Annava Srotodushti is there, along with, say, Amashay Doshadushti is there, along with low back pain, go for Shunti. If it is Rasava Srotodushti, go for Tulsi. If it is Raktava Srotodushti, go for Guduchi. Mausava Srotodushti, Vishatinduk, Medovah, Devdar, Asthivah, Kokilaksha, Majjavah, Ashwagandha, and so on. So you can use this type of Ekeri Dravya in this treatment. Panchakarma protocol is to be designed like this way. Snayugatavad, Snehan, Upanaha, Agnikarma, Bandhan. If it is Manya Stambha, go for Ruksha Sved plus Nasya, because Manya is Kafasthan and Trik is Vatasthan. So it is very important. In Vaksha Trik Skandha, Manyagatavad, go for Vaman plus Nasya. If it is Grudrasi, go for Siraved first, then Basti, then Agni Karma. If Shuladhakya is there, go for Raktamokshan with the help of Snehan Svedan. Pachan Paschat, in Grudrasi, go for Basti. If it is along with Padadeha, Padadaha, go for Siraved plus Pralep. If it is along with Vatakantak, go for Suchi plus Dahan, Raktamokshan. If it is Khalli along with Grudrasi, go for Svedan, Mardan, Upanaha. Suptivat, that is numbness, then go for tingling numbness, then go for Raktamokshan, Dahan, then Taila Vimardan. Veshtaman Vayu, go for Upanaha. This type of Panchakarma protocol is to be used. There are n number of diagnoses related to this. I'll just go one by one in only in case of diagnosis, and you with the help of this you can see. treatment also. Intervertebral disc protrusion. Typical case. See, pain, what we call it as nature of pain. You can see this type of nature of pain is there. The second very important case, I have seen this in my first death in my hospital is this. A patient, a female patient of age 60 came to me with this particular symptom, only low back pain at this particular area. Remember, my friends, I have shown this case to many very good specialists. All the symptoms were hidden. All the symptoms were hidden. We did her blood reports also, which were not that way abnormal. So we could not guess what it is. And afterwards, this is very unfortunate, but afterwards we tell this patient that the pain is related to psychology, and you must meet a psychologist. We are unable to treat you. And afterwards CT abdomen was done because of some suspicious thing, and we came to know about the carcinoma of pancreas. This is the first death after diagnosing this carcinoma of pancreas. The patient died within, say, 1.5 months or 2 months only. So I remember this case. So please remember, my dear friends, please do not take low back pain as a very casual disease. No, low back pain is a very serious disease, and please go thoroughly examine the patient. That is very important. This is SI joint dysfunction or seropositive inflammatory arthritis. Same thing. This is intervertebral disc material when gets reabsorbed. This type of pain remains there. This was a particular case of, say, Ewing's sarcoma. I have just seen this case. I have not diagnosed this case. I have seen this at one orthopedic surgeon's setup. So I put it. Abdominal aortic aneurysm. In this particular case, cramps are there at thigh region. That is also one of the main thing. Intermittent claudication is very important in this type of. See, if it is venous, if the things are related to say arterial dysfunction, then you must be alert in this case. Small aortic aneurysm, L4 discectomy. After doing the surgery also, patient gets pain, patient worsens with the pain. This type of pain was there. I will not go into details of it because we don't have much time. Disc protrusion, if disc protrusion is there and if it is on a lateral side, then patient gets very severe pain at the affected area. Say left was the affected area, but at right also he gets radiating pain like this particular thing. This is internal disc disruption, that is prolapse intervertebral disc only. Wow, this is again a particular case. I have told you about a patient came to us. The name of the patient also I can tell you, that is Hunswadkar, and he came to us with say nocturnal pain. He was having this type of pain. We treat him as say it may be a psychological pain. Then we went for, say, MRI, and L and L5S1 meds were there, and this is a particular case of say cancer of prostate. Spondylolisthesis, grade 1 spondylolisthesis. This type of pain is there. Syndrome, a very important disease, and it is a neurological deficit. Go for surgery if possible. In these type of cases, immediate surgery can give him a very good life. And If you go late for the surgery, then there is no good prognosis. This is compression fracture. Remember this. Always it is at the level of say L2, L1, L3 at this particular area. Compression is there. I have shown you a compressed vertebra in which you have to go for patta bandhan. That is the first important thing. In this particular thing also, leg length inequality was there, and he was having a pain at a particular region, and when we measure his leg length, it was unequal. The treatment for which was just you have to give him extra sole at his shoe. That is the main treatment. Don't go for expensive panchakarma in these type of cases. So in this is lumbar neuroma. The pressure symptoms were there in lumbar neuroma. Then perineural fibrosis. These are some different diagnoses which were there. I have seen in my clinical practice, in which you have to just educate the patient. You have to just tell the patient this is neurofibroma. Don't go into details of it. Just go for some exercises and some what we shaman chikitsa at the point of pain. Nothing else you have to do in these type of cases. If patient's disc gets ruptured internally, then patient gets this type of severe pain. Intervertebral disc protrusion. There are n number of clinical pictures related to disc protrusions. Synovial cyst is also one of the related to lumbar disc disease. So we have to take care of all these diagnoses and treat it accordingly. My first choice in lumbar disc disease is always Eranda Sneha, along with different anupan, along with different churna and everything. We use Eranda very effectively. In first case we use Swarna Bhupati, in second we use Rasaraj, and in third Avastha we use Bruhatvat as a choice of drug, very effective drug in it. So these are just my experiences with the with many failures and with many successful cases. So now we can design a protocol related to low back pain, which is very important. Though every case is different, my dear friends, though it is every time it is different, still you have to design a particular protocol regarding to these type of protocols. So I'll end up this session with this particular shlok. Samyak prayogaihi sarvesham siddhirakhyaati karmanam. If you want to maintain an equilibrium, go for samyak prayog, go for judicious prayog of any shaman or shodhan aushadhi, which will end up with siddhi or which will end up with a successful treatment. Siddhirakhyati sarvaischa gunair-yuktam bhishaktamam, and you will be known as a bhishaktamam, as a very good Vaidya or a great Vaidya. With